Hey guys, this is Cam2 Vlogs. I'm here with another video. I got fidget cubes, all round fidget cubes, and fidget spinners. I'm not that good. I'm still learning. Yeah. I got these online, Amazon mainly, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about the fidget cube first. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is my favorite, the switch button. And so we can just play around here. And I've heard that these are good for, these actually give you knowledge. Something crazy I've never said. So that's the fidget cube. And I'll be doing a few more videos on these. And the fidget spinner. Probably more popular than the fidget cube, I would say. These things have been trending for like 2 months or something. I mean, I don't know. You could try to do tricks with them. I can't really do them. Yeah, I can't do it. Okay, so that's the video. Fidget spinners and fidget cube. So this is Cam2 Vlogs. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment,